Take the next step of your journey. The VERSYS 1000S Tourer becomes the perfect traveling companion with selections from a range of factory-developed accessories. Welcome to Motoscoop. Japanese automaker Kawasaki has unveiled the 2022 iteration of its VERSYS 1000 motorbike. It is available in 3 versions: Standard, S, and SE. As for the highlights, the premium two-wheeler has an aggressive design and gets several electronic riding aids. It draws power from a 1,043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that generates a maximum power of 118.3 horsepower. The new Kawasaki VERSYS 1000 has a muscular bonnet, fairing-mounted cornering lights, split-style seats with a pillion grab rail, a stubby exhaust, and a raised transparent windscreen. It packs a full LED setup for lighting, a TFT instrument cluster, and rides on blacked-out alloy wheels. The standard model tips the scales at 253 kilograms and has a fuel storage capacity of 21 liters. The 2022 Kawasaki VERSYS 1000 is powered by a 1,043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that generates a maximum power of 118.3 horsepower and a peak torque of 102 Newton-meters. The motor is linked to a 6-speed gearbox and a bidirectional quickshifter. The new Kawasaki VERSYS 1000 is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, along with cornering ABS, cruise control, and traction control for better handling on the roads. Suspension duties on the Standard and S models are handled by 43mm inverted front forks and a rear monoshock absorber. The SE variant gets Showa's Skyhook electronically adjustable setup. In the UK, the 2022 Kawasaki VERSYS 1000 Adventure Touring motorbike carries a starting price tag of £10,399, around 10.5 rupees lakh. Pros: sharp looks, deliberate viewpoint, standard riding quality. Cons: not an off-road bike, lack of electronics in comparison to its competitors. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.